Struggling to stay organized and boost your productivity? Whether you're managing tasks for work, tracking projects, or just trying to stay on top of things, Trello is an amazing tool that makes it super easy to organize your workflow. In this video, I'll show you how to get started with Trello, set up your first board, and optimize it for efficiency. And if you want to try Trello for free, check out my link in the description below. Trello is a visual project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to help you organize tasks and workflows. It's perfect for teams, freelancers, and even call center managers looking to track training progress or process improvement tasks. First, sign up for a free Trello account. Once you're in, create your first board. Let's call it Productivity Workflow. Next, add lists like To Do, In Progress, and Completed. Finally, add cards to break tasks into small steps. You can easily drag and drop these cards to move them between lists. Categorize tasks for better visualization. Never miss a deadline. Trello connects with Slack, Google Drive, and more. Save time by automating repetitive tasks with Butler. Trello helps reduce overwhelm by breaking tasks into small steps. It's perfect for managing personal goals, team projects, and call center workflows. If you're serious about improving productivity, I highly recommend giving Trello a try. Want to try Trello for free? Click the link in my description to sign up. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more productivity tips, and let me know in the comments. How do you plan to use Trello?